Duty Battle Royale, hindi sapat ang magandang aim lang. Kailangan mo ng movement, positioning, at smart decision making. So today, soldier, tuturuan kita paano manalo ng mas matalino. Call of Duty Battle Royale became popular dahil sa fast-paced combat nito. Unlike normal multiplayer, dito, 100 players ang maglalaban sa isang malaking map. At habang tumatagal, lumiliit ng lumiliit ang safe zone. Kaya kailangan mong mag-survive habang kumakalaban sa ibang players. Objective natin ngayon, mag-loot efficiently, get kills carefully, and survive hanggang final circle. Hindi kailangan sobrang aggressive. Kailangan smart ka. Pagkababa natin sa farm, unang goal agad is maghanap ng loot. Heavy ammo, light ammo, SMG, cash, at basic assault rifle. Habang naglo-loot, knife muna gamit natin para mas mabilis movement speed. Then, kumuha tayo ng holographic sight for better aiming. At habang umiikot, always check the safe zone. Ayaw mong maipit sa gas dahil mababawasan nito unti-unti ang health mo. Habang papunta tayo sa safe zone, may narinig tayong gunshots at footsteps. So, instead na mag-rush agad, hinanap muna natin yung enemy. Ayan, spotted. Ginamit natin yung zoom for better accuracy. Target down. Successful elimination. After every elimination, always loot quickly. Baka may paparating na ibang players. Nagpalit tayo ng mas magandang weapon at nag-recover agad ng armor. Kahit maliit lang damage mo, pwede ka pa rin mamatay sa next encounter. Footsteps. Another enemy nearby. So, gumamit tayo ng slide movement to dodge and reposition. Naghanap tayo ng high cover habang nagre-reload. Then, hinintay nating mag-peek yung enemy sa window. Another successful kill. Now, eto yung pinakamahalagang concept sa Battle Royale. Positioning. Hindi tayo basta sumasali agad sa gunfight. Minsan, hayaan muna natin silang magpatayan. Then, papasok tayo kapag mahina na sila. That is called third partying, and sobrang effective niyan. Umakyat muna tayo sa mataas na pwesto. Then, hinintay nating bumaba yung enemy. Mas madaling tumama kapag nasa taas ka. Height advantage matters. Later on, nakakita tayo ng airdrop. So kumuha tayo ng better guns and attachments, pero tandaan, dangerous ang airdrops. Maraming players ang pumupunta doon. Sa Call of Duty Battle Royale, hindi lang aim ang importante. Kailangan mo rin ng patience at discipline. Minsan, kailangan mong umiwas sa unnecessary fights. Hindi lahat ng naririnig mong putok, kailangan mong sagurin agad. Play smart, stay calm, respect the game. Habang paliit ng paliit yung safe zone, mas nagiging intense yung laban. 25 players remaining. Then naging top 20 hanggang naging top 5. Every movement kailangan calculated. Nag-heal tayo ng armor, naghanap ng magandang position, at gumamit ng smoke grenades for cover. Then finally, nakita natin yung last enemy. Glide towards target. final elimination. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Top 1 out of 100 players. And that's how you win smarter sa Call of Duty Battle Royale. If may natutunan ka today, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials, gameplay tips, and smart strategies. See you sa next match.